Welcome to Raquiz. Try our easy English grammar quizzes to improve your skills. Answer simple multiple-choice questions and learn prepositions. Start now and have fun.
One. Which sentence is in the present simple tense? A. She is reading a book. B. She reads a book every day. C. She was reading a book yesterday. Two. I'm meeting John. 5 p.m.
A. At. B. In. C. On.
Three. What is the past tense of the verb go?
A. Gone. B. Went. C. Goes.
Four. If I rich, I would travel the world. A. Am.
B. Were. C. Was.
Five. Which sentence is correct? A. He don't like coffee. B. He doesn't like coffee. C. He not like coffee. Six. She. To the gym every morning. A. Go. B. Goes.
C. Going.
Seven. What is the plural of child? A. Childs.
B. Children.
C. Childs. Eight. They. Here since 2010. A. Lived. B. Are living. C. Have lived. Nine. Which is a modal verb?
A. Run. B. Can. C. Jump.
Ten. I saw elephant at the zoo.
A. B. N. C. The.
Eleven. What is the comparative form of big? A. Bigger. B. Biggest.
C. More big.
Twelve. She. Her homework yet. A. Hasn't finished.
B. Didn't finish.
C. Doesn't finish. "13. She thanked him. His help with the project.
A. In. B. For. C. At.
"14. This book belongs to."
A. Me. B. I. C. Mine.
"15. He. To school yesterday."
A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went.
"16. If it. Tomorrow. Will stay home." A. Rains. B. Rain. C. Rained. "17. Which is an adverb. A. Quick.
B. Quickly.
C. Quicker. "18. By next year. She. Her degree. A. Will finish. B. Finishes. C. Finished. "19. What is the superlative of good? A. Better.
B. Best.
C. Gooder. "20. I. To Paris last summer."
A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone.
"21. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? A. They swim every day. B. They are swimming now.
C. They swam yesterday.
"22. The book is." The table.
A. In. B. On. C. At.
"23. What is the past participle of write? A. Wrote. B. Written.
C. Writing.
"24. I'm looking. My lost keys everywhere."
A. At. B. For. C. On.
"25. Which sentence is correct? A. She sing beautifully. B. She sings beautifully. C. She's singing beautifully. "26. They. TV at the moment. A. Watch. B. Watches. C. Are watching. 27. What is the plural of mouse? A. Mouses.
B. Mice.
C. Mouse. "28. He. In London for 5 years. A. Lives. B. Is living. C. Has lived. "29. Which is a modal verb? A. Should. B. Walk.
C. Eat.
"30. She's best student in the class. A.
B. N. C. The.
"31. What is the comparative form of small? A. Smaller.
B. Smallest.
C. More small. "32. Their lunch yet. A. Haven't eaten.
B. Didn't eat. C. Don't eat.
"33. Which sentence uses the passive voice? A. The chef cooked the meal. B. The meal was cooked by the chef. C. The chef is cooking the meal. "34. These shoes are. A.
Mine. B. Mine.
C. Me.